Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So I just want to give you a quick tip. Someone asked what paint you use for fabric. So an easy trick, and this is a hack actually, and it's not mine. I saw it somewhere long ago on social media platform, and it was really easy and it worked extremely well. So you take any good acrylic paint. I'm using Heritage here, and I'm just using this orange to give you a quick idea of how we're going to do it. So don't throw away your ice cream sticks, the ice cream spoons, and spoons that you get from takeaways. I always use them for art projects. Okay. Where am I going to put this one in? Okay. All you do is you take a good conditioner. No, any conditioner. And you draw it up with a pipette, or you can even just take a spoon and take a little bit, and then you just squeeze a little drop in here and mix it. And what the conditioner does, it allows for elasticity when you paint on the fabric, so it won't dry hard and crack when you move the fabric. Just mix it in well. Okay, so let's just use that as an example quickly. All right, this is my fabric that I'm going to use. It's the fabric pencil case. And then you put a piece of paper that you folded inside. I've marked 2 spots where the paper is going to be, that I mustn't go outside of the line, otherwise the paint might seep through on the other side. You can see where your borders are. You can just give it another mix. What this also does, acrylic paint dries very quickly, and this helps for it to not dry so quickly. Okay, so I'm just gonna paint the flower that I drew. I'll post the final picture on social media on my Colourful Faith Ministries page, or on Create With Me group on Facebook, and then you can see the end result and how nicely the fabric moves after it dries. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless.